What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spin this like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spin this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone. Friend zone. Sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo.
So we're heading to Starbucks. Wait, not my car door wide open. Like these people won't hop in my car and take off. New Orleans is crazy. These people will hop in here and be gone, okay? So, hey y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday, it's a good day. We're headed to Starbucks. Just woke up, did my skincare, like handled some other stuff. Oh crap, I need to get another wire for in here because my charger for in the house broke. So I brought it in the house last night. And I hate using my Bluetooth in my car because it's very delayed. I don't know, it just drives me crazy, but I'm gonna have to use it for now. Alright y'all, so we're going to Starbucks. Right now, I really love Meek Mill, Ride For You, featuring Kehlani. Love that song. So that's what I'm listening to. Let's go to Starbucks.
I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin.
Hi, could I get a grande iced chai with no ice?
A grande iced chai with what else?
With no ice?
With no ice?
Yeah.
Can I get you something else?
Actually, you can do ice in it. You can put ice.
Alright, would you like light ice?
Yeah, light ice.
Light ice? Can I get you anything else?
And let me do pumpkin cold foam on that.
That has a grande iced chai tea left is light ice. If you wanted to add pumpkin cream cold foam, your total's gonna be $5.79.
Okay, thank you. So, did the same old basic chick order. Fall order at least. But it'll be okay. Why am I not focusing? My camera's about to die, but I'm on my way back to the house. Just picking up this Starbucks. Then we're gonna clean up. I have a client for 12:30. I normally don't work on Saturdays, but I took my client because she has a wedding to go to. So we're gonna do that, and then we're having a game night tonight. Fun. So gonna go get some stuff for that, clean up the house, and then yeah, so I'll just take you guys along with me. I have like 2 vlogs already edited on my computer, but I just hated them, so I'm just like, let's just do a weekend vlog, something quick, simple. I'm trying to become more comfortable on the camera, be more of myself. So this vlog, you'll probably see more of me and my personality. I feel like that makes them much more enjoyable. So yeah, because I'm very shy on the camera. Like, I don't know why, it's really strange to me, but I enjoy vlogging. I enjoy like YouTube and stuff like that. So I want to do it more often and stick to it. So I know I keep saying that I'm gonna be consistent, but hopefully this is the start of my consistency. So yeah, grabbing Starbucks, gonna head back home and get some stuff done. Yo, got my Starbucks, but for some reason FedEx has been very delayed here, and I think this is a FedEx guy coming to my house with my shoes in it. So let's see. So y'all, my misguided order finally came in. I have been waiting for literally almost 3 weeks. So about to open this. This has all of my like vacation, not vacation, but like I'm going on a few trips. This has all that stuff in it, and then I had one more order from I think Pretty Little Thing that came in. So excited. So y'all, this is the stuff that I got. And I said Pretty Little Thing, but it's really another misguided order that I had. And then I did order like some sweatpants from Pretty Little Thing. So I'm gonna try a little stuff on, make sure it fits. Why does this look like it's wet? How does that look wet? Doesn't that look wet to you? Oh, this is those I ordered some vinyl pants. So they're sticking. Okay. That's normal. Like, not even on the, Alright, y'all. So Danae's about to wash my hair. It's my first time washing since I got my color. She's gonna wash it and I'm gonna do like a wash and go. You ready? Mm-hmm. Is this too hot? Actually, that's good. That's good. Ooh! I lied. Cooler. Okay.
Got my own flow and I'm about to get a pad. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put the friend zone. Sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
No. I'm gonna have to sleep again. Anyway. So y'all, this is my first time washing my hair since I got it straightened. And I love it. I love the curls with the color. I knew it was gonna have like some straight pieces because I had straight pieces before she even colored it. So right there. Just for me doing me. But it looks good. I love the color. So I'm gonna just do a wash and go real quick. Well, it's actually not a quick thing. I don't know why they call it wash and go because it takes me like an hour. Let's do it here. So I'm gonna do my hair real quick and then come back because this is not no tutorial. But it looks so good to show y'all. And then the back is a little darker because she did like highlights around the front. So it looks real good. Alright y'all, so I finished my wash and go and I'm under the dryer. Curls look real good. Even the front isn't too bad. I was able to kind of shake it back a little bit. But a good trim will do you so good, y'all. So get your trims. Love my curls. Love the color. I was going out of town. I never wear my hair curly when I go out of town. But I'm thinking I might just wear it out. I don't know. Like traveling with curly hair is just a lot. I feel like I have to pack all these products. And then I'm only bringing a carry-on. So I can't bring much. So I don't know. I might go to the store and grab some, grab some products once I get out there. Because the travel size will not be enough. Travel size of anything. Not shampoo, not conditioner, not gel, nothing. It just won't. I'll use literally the whole bottle on one side of my head. If I got a travel size. So I probably just go to the store and grab something to do my hair. Or I could get a few travel size little bottles and just bring that. Because I'm only going to be gone for the weekend. But I'm really liking it. I think I might wear this and not worry about doing my hair. I was gonna put some clip-ins in, like braid my hair down, put some straight clip-ins in, and just wear like a little leave out because it'd be easy. But now I'm like, maybe this will be cute. So we'll see. I've completely wrecked the shop. Like every time I come in here, it just becomes a mess. That's me from doing my hair. I did Danae's hair and cut her hair and just left it there, so I'm gonna pick it up. But yeah, this is what we doing. I'm just gonna sit under here for a few more minutes and then get going because it is, let me see, it's 3:09. I'm watching Virgin River. I'm on the last episode. It's really good. I heard that there's a new season coming out, so I'm looking forward to that. I did also start, I also started season 18 of Grey's Anatomy. So, and honestly, so far, I'm not really feeling it. Like, I'm on the first episode, so I gotta give it some time, but it's just not giving what it used to give. I don't know. I kind of feel like it's being forced now, just from what I've, seen so far, so we'll see. But yeah, I have a few other shows that I want to watch that are on my list on Netflix. So
in my two-seater, she the one that I would take.
So y'all, in the grocery store, just grabbing some stuff for some margaritas, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna grab some things. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. I'm about to just go ahead and clean up my room because it's a mess, and then I've got to go pick up the chicken. They close at 6:55, whatever that means. Like, who does that? But I'm gonna go pick it up around like 6:20. So I have a few minutes to clean up and then we'll be on our way back. So we're making margaritas. Switched hair for the weekend. She's curly, I'm straight. I'm usually curly, and she's usually straight.
So y'all, hey, welcome back to the vlog. Cameron is being a bartender.
Sam, you ready for the vibe? Not really, huh? That hair.
Look at her.
Okay, y'all. So we made some Rotel dip. It's just warming up right now. And then for the margaritas, I have some mint and some rosemary. I had a margarita, I don't know if I told y'all this already. I had a margarita with rosemary in it and it just turned me completely rosemary-y. So we're gonna do that. And then there's some chicken.
Y'all think y'all just too much.
Hey, hey. I'm about to win. I just want you to know I'm about to win.
Game number 2. Who is starting us off in game?
I'ma win. I'ma win. I'ma win. Y'all ready?
Well, I would like to record y'all actually doing it.
She's not getting that.
Let me spread them out. I got y'all. They all good.
I need to talk around. Are you down for the boss? Are you down? Are you down? Are you down?
got a little ink stain on my bag. But it's okay. So, hey y'all, it is Sunday. The next day I'm with Kylan. It's Saint Sunday. So last night we had the game night. We had a good time. We had so much fun. I'm so tired, but continue in the weekend. So yeah, we're gonna watch the game. And yeah, I didn't record as much as I wanted to last night, so I'm gonna insert some clips. I didn't want to be putting the camera in everybody's face, but we had a really good time. Tired, that's all I gotta say. Really tired, so yeah, my hair looks good. This is day 2, wash and go day 2. So it lasted one night. Let's see what it do for the rest of the week. I know it won't last more than probably one more night. So. So cute. Did they say hey? Hey, girl.
Hey, I'm on my way.
I know.
Wait, just
you answered for.
car. Bring him to get the car. Y'all can go get some water.
What y'all gonna be doing with your car? Where y'all?
They had that when we went out there last
Kylan's
time.
gonna be in her car.
Oh, you mean for drinks?
I want water. I want
You
lemonade.
You gonna have to get in your car.
Gatorade.
Don't leave your car here.
These days, new girls, they got me nervous. They go to school and do bottle service. They can't decide, they keep switching majors.
No, somebody at work.
And indecisive makes me anxious. All your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we done everything that we done?
Hey y'all, so we're on the way to the park to play volleyball. At the park. It's hot as I don't know what. It's 88 degrees, but it feels like 188. Y'all, when I get there. So y'all, we are at the park. Kessler, Danae, Kylan, Jordan, playing volleyball.
What's this?
What? It's for the win. This, I don't think this is right with lemonade, huh? It's not the right mix. It's okay.
What y'all putting there?
Hey, Ray.
I'm working like it's good. And it was good before the lemonade. I tasted it.
All right, you gotta be gentle though.
Yeah, it's very bitter. It tastes like
What?
bitters. All right, y'all. This is gonna end the vlog. I just got back home. About to go ahead and clean up and just get in the shower, get in the bed, and prepare myself for the next week. So if you guys enjoyed the vlog, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, do all that fun stuff, share with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.